Like you supply, all our tires. Looking so surprise, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be my lover, yeah. My little baby go rise on me. My little baby go ride on me. Maria, 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 ah. Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you, ah, yeah.
Meanwhile,
it's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, outside. It's cold outside, cold outside.
Recording and it was paused. My children are the one that told me that, Mommy, it's paused. So everything I said. Anyway, as I was saying, we're clocked 11 years today. Then last man hold me, I don't get sit back. Anyway, let me quick before I get to the last man is I can't beg and do frog jump. You know, so we clocked 11 years today and it's just there's love in the air. There's love with my hobby. Hobby, say hello. Hello, hobby. So we're just so thankful and grateful to God that we're able to clock this milestone. And once again, I'm on the hunt again. Always hunting. You know, this time I'm hunting without my spare and my bow and arrow. I went to a store yesterday. I wasn't impressed with the prices. It's like inflated. I don't know. Okay, so I basically want to get past complaining about how expensive things are and just accept it and adjust my budget accordingly, isn't it? What do you say? You know, so but the only thing is I always have to have a chocolate, you know, but I will reduce it. You know, so we're going to another store today and some people are just in a bus beside me, they're looking. Nigeria, they're always looking, look, not to look. There are too many people, you know, so you can't have a private moment where you're just vlogging. They must be looking. Anyway, let me get off the phone before they look my camera from my hand. Come, what did you say?
Yesterday when I was looking out the window, people were looking at me and even the driver was eating corn. You know,
It was what?
eating corn while looking at me.
Just give it up. I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up. Don't waste your time, cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else. Here you'll find nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong. You and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way if you wanna rock
you're still the one for me, even though we are done. But we both know that we don't matter now. You keep coming up with excuses. You know what, I don't care. No energy to spare. Yeah, you say that you want me anyway, but your actions tell a different tale. Yeah, you say that you wanna try again. That's why I know that I won't get you. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Even though I want to, I can't seem to get you. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Even though I want you, I can't seem to get you.
3 days later.
4 in the morning, you got me up, all cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of.
So today I'm having a cooking day off. It is something that I absolutely appreciate when my husband actually gives me that cooking day off. It's something that I do once in a long while, because funny enough, I actually enjoy eating my own meals. So I do this every once in a while, and it is such a treat for me. So today we're having takeouts from Circa Non Pareil. I just love their food. Their food is like a cross between gourmet and home cooking.
When people are speaking, don't speak over them. We'll be teaching you how to bake a cake. We will be baking a sponge cake, which is going to be very yummy, fun, easy to make, and even you can use it for eat. So it'll be easy and fun, and also to make it simple, even to eat lunch. With recipes that are very easy to make. So let's get started. Yeah, let's get started. So here we got 250 grams of butter, 1 cup, and 3/4. Now we give it a mix.
5 minutes later.
After your butter gets fluffy, you add your 4 eggs. You mix it very, very well. You need to put vanilla. 1 tablespoon of vanilla going in. In a separate bowl, you put your dry ingredients in. You first put 2.5 cups of flour. 1, 2. So we have a total of 2.5 cups of flour. We have 1 cup of buttermilk as well. We have 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. A half a teaspoon of salt. All going in. Mix it all together. Now the dry ingredients goes into the wet. As you go.
A few inches later.
Because we like chocolate, we'll put a drizzle of chocolate syrup. And we'll need to use the spatula to mix it.
Mix it up. What's a spatula? As we really like chocolate, we put a little bit extra of chocolate syrup.
And it goes into the baking pan. Because we're about to put it in the oven. Goes inside the oven. Bye-bye cake.
Bye-bye, cake.
Later.
So the cake turned out perfectly. We took it from the oven and it just looks gorgeous. This is the cake and it turned out good. If you like it, you can make it at home. You can make it anywhere. Only at home actually.
None.
And you can also have a birthday party with this if it's a birthday.
You have.
So if you like this video, please subscribe.
The following day.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight.
Mrs. Stock, it's time to have a bath. Would you like to have a bath, Mrs. Stock? I think so. Let's go on to the pond then, shall we? Are you sure? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Off to the pond then. See you later.